This is how you save your Clicky file and upload it to Turnitin. I'm in Clicky. I've got my 3 layers. I've been painting on this for a little while. So I'm going to go to the File tab over here, click on it. It's currently set to PNG. So what I want to do is I want to click on here and select PSD. This will preserve the layers as I download this file and save it. It's going to download automatically. I'm going to click here to select Show in Folder. You'll notice that every time Clicky downloads a file, it changes the name of it from the original file that you uploaded. Here's the original file that I uploaded. I can't rename this one because this one's still in the folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the Alt key down on my keyboard, which is right next to the space bar. I'm going to click on this file with the trackpad, take my finger off the Alt key, and select Rename. Then I'm going to copy this text by holding the Control key down on my keyboard and tapping the letter C and copying that text. Notice how I didn't select the .psd at the end. Then I'm going to click the trash can to throw this file away because I don't want to save both files in the same folder. In fact, it won't let me. So I'm going to delete that one. Again, I'm going to hold the Alt key down and click on this one now and select Rename. Now you don't have to hit the right cursor key and back this up. Anytime something's selected, you can just start typing, or in this case, I want to paste in that file name. So I'm going to hold the Control key down and tap the letter V, and it's going to replace that text. And then I can just hit the Enter key on my keyboard, and that file is now saved. I can close this window. And I've got 3 tabs open on my computer right now. I've got Google Classroom. I've got the Clicky file, which I can close now that I've downloaded that file. And then I've got my folder on my Google Drive. And you'll note by these 2 figures here, these 2 little icons, that it's already been shared. This is the folder that's open, so I'm going to select New, File Upload. It should automatically open up my Downloads folder. I'm going to click here and then select Open, and this file is going to upload to my Google Drive. You'll notice over here on the right, as that circle goes around to complete, it's going to upload this file, and once it's uploaded, I can click the X here to close this little window. And now I've got this backed up not only on my computer, but also in my Google Drive. So if anything happens to my computer, I haven't lost my work. I'm going to close this window. In my Google Drive, on my Google Classroom, I'm going to open this assignment. Over here on the right-hand side, I'm going to select Add or Create, and you'll notice here at the top it says Final AZHand Project, Clicky. I'm going to select Add or Create, Google Drive, This is the most recent file right here on the left-hand side. So I'm going to click one time on here. Click Add. As soon as it's finished uploading, I'll select Turn In. And then Turn In again. And that's all there is to it.